Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 12 of season 2. We are doing a detailed tutorial of this design here. Then we'll go ahead and price it, how much we'll be selling it. And at the end of the video, I'll introduce the next episode, which will be episode 13. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in episode 13. I decided to use two different colors to see how it will be. Let me know in the comment section the color you think you will use and it will be nicer. And let's dive right into the video. So I'm using bicons and I'm using pearls. I'm using 0.25 beading thread and I'm using size 98 beading needle. So these are my bicons, blue bicons. This is how bicons looks like. It looks a bit diamondish. I don't know if that's correct. And so I've single threaded my needle. I went ahead to cross thread one bicon. So I just picked it on one thread. The thread is one though. So I picked it and I cross threaded, and this is what I have. And I went ahead to pin it down so you know exactly what is going on. Now I have two threads, left and right thread. So I'm going to, and just watch carefully, the thread that picks 2 and 1 continues to pick 2 and 1 till you are done. It will make sense very soon, you don't worry. So I picked 2 bicons, 1 pearl on my left thread, and I'm picking 1 pearl and 2 bicons on my right thread. Note the difference. The left one is 2 and 1 and the right thread is 1 and 2. So this is how it looks like. Realize the left has the bicons first and the right has the pearl first. Then I just went ahead to cross thread with one bicon. So I'm just cross threading. The cross threading can put the bead on any of the threads, and this is what we have. So this is what you should have for the first. Now I'm just going to repeat the same thing till I get to the length I want. So my left is picking 2 bicon, 1 pearl. So that's 2 bicon, then 1 pearl. Then I'll go ahead and pick 1 pearl and 2 bicon on my right. Whatever happens, make sure whatever hand is picking 2 1 will continue to pick 2 1, and whatever hand is picking 1 2 will continue to pick 1 2. When I talk of 2 1, I simply mean 2 bicon, 1 pearl, and when I talk of 1 2, I simply mean 1 pearl and 2 bicon. So I went ahead to do the same thing and I'm cross threading once again, and this is what we have. You can see the style coming out already. So let's try for the last time and then we'll be out of here. This video is very short. So I'm picking 2 on my left, 2 bicon on my left as usual, then 1 pearl, then 1 pearl on my right, then 2 bicon, and I went ahead to cross thread with 1 bicon. So you do to get to the length you want. This is the length I wanted. So once I was done, I just got rid of the needle just to get it off the material, and this is how it looks like, guys. So let's finish it. Let's try and finish it quickly and we'll be out of here. So you realize we still have 2 threads, right? Left and right thread. So I went ahead to pick 2 bicons on each thread. So 2 on the left, 2 on the right. And I put the 2 ends together and I put 2 on the 2 threads together. I believe that makes sense. Once I finish picking 2 on each thread, I put the 2 threads together and I put 2 bicons on the 2 threads. And this is what we have at this point. So I'm going to put, these are my stoppers. I use it to stop the thread from removing when I cast the excess thread off. So they are metallic in nature. They look like seed bead, but they are metallic in nature. So I'm going to put two. We have silver and gold. I prefer using the gold. So I'm going to put 2 of my gold stoppers on it. I'm passing the 2 threads together through the stoppers. I'm not going to separate it. The 2 threads are together. This time around we are putting the 2 threads together once we get to this point. I'm using this locker here. It's in 2 folds. You can open and close, and that's what we'll be using to open and close our bracelet. So I just took one part of it. It's in 2 parts. So I'm taking one part. You can start with any of the ends. That one is up to you. I'm just going to pass the 2 threads together through the locker. Then I just let go of the locker and I pass my threads back through the stoppers and the 2 bicons I picked together. Then I'm just going to pull my work all the way down so it's tight enough. Now I realized we cross-threaded 1 pearl when we were starting, right? So I'm going to pass about 30 centimeters length of thread through that pearl we picked earlier. Then I'm just going to repeat the same process what I just did. So 2 on each thread, and then I put the 2 threads together and pick 2 bicons on the 2 threads, and then I just go ahead and add my stopper and the other end or the other part of the locker, and that will be it. So I went ahead to try it once again before I press the stoppers. Once you press the stoppers, you can't do any changes to your work again. So if you are convinced, then you go ahead and press your stoppers. I just went ahead to press my stoppers as securely as possible, very hard, so that when you get rid of the excess thread, your work won't be ruined. Then once I was convinced the work is secured enough, I just got rid of the excess thread. And guys, this is episode 12. We are done. It's very simple, very easy. Go ahead and try. And this is the yellow and white. I did blue and white and yellow and white. So which one do you think is nicer? Let me know in the comment section the one you think is nicer and how much you will sell yours. If you do yours, how much are you going to sell it? I think I like the yellow and white. Which one do you like best? Like, let me know in the comment section. And let's welcome episode 13. Guys, so this is what we are doing in episode 13. Make sure you do subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so that you'll be notified the moment episode 13 is uploaded. And I'll see you in episode 13. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe and join the family, and we are happy to have you. Bye.